In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Wise to Alipay. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Wise account, and then you want to click on Send over here. Now, once you click on Send, then first you will have to, of course, select how much you would like to send. And over here, you will have to do Chinese yuan, because, of course, this is what you can send to Alipay. And then, of course, you want to type in how much you'd like to send and how much you would like for the recipient to get. So, for example, I want them to get like 10 euros worth of Chinese yuan. And then here, when it says paying with, you can, of course, just select what you want. I'm going to just do Alipay over here because it's available. And then you can just do whenever you want it to arrive, and you can see the fees. Here, you then want to add a recipient you would like to send to. Click Add Recipient, and then here, of course, you don't want to do bank details because I do not think Alipay usually has IBANs. So, of course, if they do, for some reason, have an IBAN, the one you're sending to, the person you're sending to, has an Alipay IBAN, you can click over here, and then you can click someone else, put in their name and their IBAN. But of course, if that's not possible, what you're going to have to do is see all options over here, and then you want to click on Pay by Email, and then it says we'll email your recipient to request their bank details. Click on that, then click on someone else, and then here put in their email and their full name of the account holder. Click on Continue. So for example, I'm just going to show you how it's done, like this, or I'm just going to do a random email. The one I use, so a random email over here, and then I'm just gonna put in the full name of the account holder. It's gonna be just my channel name, okay, and then I'm gonna do continue here, and then what's gonna happen, they will basically send them essentially the email, and then they will request the documents, and then once that's done, of course, they'll be able to just essentially choose their Alipay as an option to receive the payment. Okay, so of course you'll have to share some info about yourself as well in here before you'll be able to do this, but of course this is the way you can do it, and that is the only way you can actually send money from Wise to Alipay if another option is not popping up over here whenever you click on another option. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.